Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a dark slate 2013 Nissan Pathfinder SL, stock number 18C382A. There are factory fog lights up front. The hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim that is wrapped in an 18-inch Hankook Dynapro tire. Inside, you do have a dual-panel power sunroof, and then there's a black leather upholstery, and that's in fantastic condition. You've got seating for 2 in the front row. There's seating for 3 in the second row. You do have rear climate controls here. And then coming back to the third row, you've got seating for 2, making this a 7-passenger Pathfinder. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. Coming to the rear, there is a trailer hitch here. You do have a backup camera, and there's also a power liftgate, so it's as easy as the push of one button to get that trunk open. As you can see, it's very clean back here. The third row seating folds into a 50-50 split, and the second row into a 60-40 split, so that'll give you lots of extra space when needed. And the reason that I'm showing you this Nissan today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive, or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. There are power lumbar adjustments and all-weather floor mats. Stepping inside, there is a push-button start here. I'll go ahead and start the engine, and then we'll take an odometer reading. All right, you've got 62,380 actual miles. On the left of the steering wheel, there are audio controls. On the right side, you have cruise control buttons. Coming up to the rear view mirror, you can see there is a compass display, and you've also got buttons here for your HomeLink garage door opener system. Coming down to the center, there's this great touchscreen display. This is where your backup camera will show. You do have a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. Underneath of that, there are driver information buttons. You have some additional audio controls here, and then you've also got dual climate controls. There are switches for heated front row seating. This is a continuously variable transmission. You do have your 4-wheel turn dial control here. You've got a 3.5 liter V6 engine, which in highway mileage gets you around 25 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on this Pathfinder or to schedule your test drive, visit holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.